happened?
My tooth fell out.
You know where it's at?
Mm-mm.
Did you swallow it?
It's in the water.
What?
It flicked all the way far.
What did? The duck's coming over here?
No, the duck ate it.
Yeah, but look, the duck's coming over here. Here, hold this. The duck wants food.
Dad, blow more. Hey, Dad, I had a
He doesn't eat this stuff. Come on. Come on, y'all. Let's go. Let's walk.
He eats duck food.
Yeah, he eats duck food.
Sit, duck.
Let's look at your teeth again, RJ.
It's going.
Yeah. Let's look at your teeth, Elijah. How come Elijah has all his teeth and you don't?
That's because he don't have
Oh,
one.
look, the duck's following us.
Oh, because he wants our ice cream. Call Mommy.
All right, come on, y'all. Let's go. Let's see what's down here.
Here.
Come on, RJ and Elijah. Let's go.
And I can't my phone in that dusty water.
You said what?
That dusty water.
Hey, y'all, get in front of me. Come on, go.
No, I can't touch my phone in that water. Yeah. You remember I kept...
Come on, no running. You don't want to slide.
Elijah, you remember I was the baby? I was sliding out in the water.
Come on, let's go.
Look. I checked over there.
Alright. I think we went the wrong way, guys. Hold up. Yeah. Oh, come on. We can go this way. Come on. Yeah, we can go this way.
Yeah, we go the right way.
Yeah, we're going the right way. Come on, Elijah.
Okay, wait. I'm waiting.
Hey, y'all get in front of me. The duck's still following us.
Look.
Is this farm stuff?
Yeah. Yeah.
So a farmer lives here?
Yeah.
Okay.
But not all the time.